Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find System. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and at the top we've got Reset Mobile Network Settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So as you can see, those two options are divided, and basically both works the same. So just tap on it, tap on Reset Settings. Here we've got the warning that you cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset Settings if you're ready. And we had the information that we just accomplished it. Same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it. Again, we've got the same information, so just tap on Reset, and it will be reset immediately. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.